Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Soni, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can make this very beautiful, elegant yet simple silk thread jhumkas or earring in just 15 minutes. So let's get started. First of all, you are going to need a silk thread. Make rounds of it along a notebook to make a thicker thread which you can use for covering the base of the jhumka. Now once you have made 25 rounds of it, you can cut the thread and join the ends of that bunch. If there are any extra thread, just chop them off and then join them using a fabric glue. Repeat the process on both the sides. So now I am just clubbing the rest of the thread at the other end, and then stick the one end of the thread in the base of the jhumka from inside, and then loop in the other end from the top and adjust it on the base like this. Keep on doing it until you have covered the entire base of the jhumka. Keep on repeatedly doing it, like I have shown here in the video. Now I have almost reached the end of the base, and I am just covering few of the extra places where there is no thread. It gets bit difficult by the end because the hole on the top is not big enough to adjust all the threads in. But keep on pushing it and covering the entire base of the jhumka. Now just take the rest of the thread that is remaining using a fabric glue in the base of the jhumka. If there are any extra thread, you need to cut them before sticking in. This is how I made the base of the jhumka. Now take a head pin and insert a pearl into it, and then take the earlier base that we created and insert it into the head pin. Now I have taken a glittering pearl and placed it on the top of the jhumka base. Now using a metal cutter, I have cut the extra part of the head pin, and now I am adjusting the head pin to form an eye pin using the plier. Now this base is almost ready. Using a jump ring and an earring hook, I am going to attach the eye pin to the hook of the earring. Now close the jump rings, and this is how you get the jhumka. See how pretty it looks. It is very elegant and can be used for Indo-Western and Indian wear as well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Mention in your comments what kind of videos you would like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.